please don't go ahead. It may harm you. Yo-Yo Singh said, please stop. Don't stop me. Let me see what is that. He went ahead, he started using that ball of fire. With that ball of fire, he came to know that I can make food with that fire. With that ball of fire, he came to know that I can illuminate my surrounding. I can keep away the wild animals from me. So this is what he came to know. After using that ball of fire, Yo-Yo Singh became civilized person. Whereas Bobo Singh,
कारण डाऊट विचारण्यामुळे ते शिक्षकांना घाबरतात, त्यांच्याशी म्हणजे असं हे होत नाहीत, म्हणजे बोलणं कसं, विचारणं कसं वगैरे.
मैम आई मस्ट से दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. जितना डाउट पूछेगा विद्यार्थी उतना क्लैरिटी होगा. माइंड टू थिंक. एजुकेशन का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि रट्टा मारो. एजुकेशन का मतलब है अपने माइंड को ट्रेन करो अच्छा लॉजिकली सोचने के लिए. After having this wonderful discussion with these toppers, what I feel is, ऐसे ही अगर टीचर्स बहुत जी जान से पढ़ा रहे हैं, लेकिन विद्यार्थी भी बहुत आतुरता के साथ वो चीजें को एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं. महासागर तो बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें पानी बहुत सारा है, लेकिन there is a wonderful saying in English, copy the person you want to become and you will become like him. Sometimes the copy may become better than the original. So it's very much important to have role models. These people are sitting in front of us as the role models. These people, whatever they have done, let's follow their footsteps and let's add few more things. Yes, we have got another
logical thing. So I didn't used to anytime learn formulas completely. I would just used to solve the questions, and whenever I would need formulas, I would just look in my formula sheet and that stuff, and then I would use the formula a lot of times. So make study in a way that you will have fun studying. So you will not get bored while studying, and also like about the time, how much time you should study. There is no like fixed restriction on how much time you should study. Like there were days I literally didn't study, and there were days I have studied like nearly 16 hours, 17 hours.
To do better in the upcoming exams. This would go a long way in shaping the career of these students. One thing that wonderfully you mentioned just now is do what you love and love what you're doing. When you're doing studies, if you're loving your studies, you would do enjoy. Because if you are doing study with sada hua chehra, you will produce sada hua result. So it's very much important, being a student, you should start loving your studies. There is one question that I want to ask. Please, somebody bring the mic towards me, because I even want to ask a question. Is there anybody who wants to ask a question? Yes, buddy. Clap for her.
I am currently preparing for JEE examinations. I want to ask a question that how many hours per day you were dedicated to self-study, or additionally, what was your daily target to cover, to solve the questions or the level of that questions, that to complete the syllabus or chapters?
Anybody take a charge. It takes courage to speak in front of the audience, dear students. Let's first of all have a huge round of applause again for them, because it's not an easy task. Doing studies, giving examination is something different. And facing crowd, people are asking questions, you have to be speaking, errorlessly. It's a very difficult task. And though these people are doing exceptionally well, so they are very good at expressing themselves as well. Yes, please.
Sir, I have only one role model, Abdul Kalam Azad, because the way he transformed our country, it is something no single person has ever did. So I have only one role model, and that is it.
Yes, anyone please. Give it to her. She wants to say something. Kuch to boliye. Express yourself. Hindi, English, whichever language you are comfortable. Relax. Please. Marathi bhi chalega. देखो आपकी सर कह रहे हैं.
Comfortable.
Yes, buddy, go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Tanuja Samadar. Currently I am studying in IIT Tirupati. I am pursuing computer science and engineering BTech first year.
Role model. About your role model, about your studies, who was after you, who was telling you that you need to study?
Academic part. So I wanted to know how you used to think towards a concept wherein you are making someone to work for you and to make it sorted.
Yes. और धीरे-धीरे डांस कर रहे हैं. Woo! Make some noise. अरे बहुत दूसरे जोर से. तो डांस भी निकल रहा है. पाते हैं. कौन है वो? फर्स्ट कौन था? कितने आसानी सवाल पूछ रहे हो, मुझे खुद नर्वसनेस आ रही है. तो आप जल्दी कैडबरी लेके हाँ जी प्लीज गो अहेड. आपका कैडबरी लेके आइए. गो होने वाले हैं. मैं डिफिकल्टी में पढ़ाने वाला हूँ बाद में. लेट्स सी. शुरू हो जाते हैं. उन दिनों से ही अगर पढ़ाई की जाए तो हमें सक्सेस जल्दी मिलता है, आसानी से मिलता है. लास्ट मोमेंट पे स्ट्रेस का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता. क्या ऐसा कोई है? यस, देयर वी हैव somebody who is willing to ask a question.
So आपका जो भी एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक है, टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट सीरीज होते हैं और उस टॉपिक पे के सारे टेस्ट हो गए, मतलब AITS भी हो गया, और फिर भी अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ मेरा ये पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक ठीक से नहीं हुआ है, मुझे और ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है, उस टॉपिक को और परफेक्ट करने के लिए क्या मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मतलब हम हमारी तरफ से क्या कर सकते हैं?
JEE नीट जैसे खतरनाक क्वेश्चंस हैं. ये बच्चों ने तो करके दिखाया. देखते हैं ऑडियंस ये खतरनाक क्वेश्चंस.
Yes, thank you so much for letting us know about this wonderful technique. We need to take a pause when we are doing studies so that we can restart again with redoubled vigor. Yes, please.
One thing I would like to add is that you have to limit your entertainment. So like तुम लिमिट कर सकते हो. तुम्हारे फ़ोन में स्क्रीन टाइम पता चलता है तुम कितना यूज़ कर रहे हो. सो लाइक वो नोट करो तुम 1 घंटा यूज़ कर रहे हो, 2 घंटा यूज़ कर रहे हो, और उस लिमिट को क्रॉस ना करो, ऐसा ट्राई करो. सो दैट हेल्प्स. वो एक पैटर्न दिख जाता है तो हम वो पैटर्न ब्रेक नहीं करते मन से खुद से.